Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix attempted to teleport to a place that is restricted in Roblox. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up your Roblox account under a browser. Okay, roblox.com. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just log in. Once logged in, go to the top right, click on the gear icon and click on settings. Just like so. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and go to the left panel and click on security. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down and just click on log out all other session. Okay, click on it and just click on log out. And then once that's done, go ahead and go back to privacy and content restrictions right here in the left panel. Click on content maturity and just click on moderate. Okay, and then once that's done, go ahead and close this one. Now go ahead and go to your search bar right here. Type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. Click on this file folder. Now go ahead and find Roblox. Right click, hit on delete, and wait for the process to finish. If you got this error, just make sure that Roblox isn't running in the background. Click on exit. So once that's deleted, go to app data once more, go to roaming, find Roblox. If it's available, go ahead and delete it. Okay, and then once that's done, all you got to do is just restart your computer. Launch Roblox and everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.